Hi everyone. So in this tutorial, we'll be focusing on how to create maps in Power BI. So for that, let's launch our Power BI file. So this file will be creating maps, geographic maps from our existing data. So this file has got multiple attributes, and of which there are certain attributes with which we can plot maps. So natively, there are three kinds of map that you can plot in Power BI. One is a field map. So this is the one. One is simple map, and another is 𝐼𝐸 maps for Power BI. In native Power BI, you can use three different maps. Although Power BI has got a lot of custom visuals which can be accessed and which can be downloaded. So Microsoft has made those things a kind of a freeware. So you can get into the Microsoft Office and you can download it. Over here, first we will see how to create the map. Okay, so we have this file, Airbnb listing details. So in this file, what I have done first is that I have created a placeholder for this map. Over here, the moment you create the placeholder, on the right hand side, these are the attributes that you can fill. Okay, so let's see how you can fill in these attributes. So for latitude, you have the latitude data. Okay, so you pull this latitude data over here. Okay, and you need the longitude as well to pinpoint the maps in the graph. So for that, you will use longitude. Okay, you will pull this data here. The moment you will do it, so it will kind of create the map. This is the locality of this data set that we are talking about. Now this data set is the Airbnb data set for Spain. So anything related to Spain, all these properties are somewhere in Spain. So this is how it's distributed across locations. Okay? So over here, now you can expand this map for the entire page. Okay, so this is being supported by Microsoft's Bing. Now the size. So now you can see the size of these bubbles are almost same, right? These are not almost, these are exactly same. Equi-sized bubbles. So it is not exactly giving any other information other than the spread. Now, for example, you want to see that what is the distribution of price, means what are the areas where the prices are high, what are the areas where the prices are low. So for that, what you can do, you can use the price value. Okay, but the price looks like it is a character field. If you look over here, there is no numeric, because for numeric field, there is a sigma associated to it. So if you look at this, these are all, there is a sigma sign which implies there is a numeric. But price here is not showing as numeric. So this is an error which Microsoft Power BI, not error, this is what Microsoft Power BI has understood, that price needs to be treated as data, which is not right for our content. So we need to go back to the data set and we need to redefine it. Where is the price column? Okay, so since it's starting with dollar, this is a custom formatting. Hence Power BI has thought that this is going to be a character variable. So it's a text, but it's not text. You need to make it decimal number. Warning, the data type change, because the data type change might causes data integrity issues. So do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Okay.